Okay, we're going through the gates.
Caution, road with restricted access.
Oh my goodness, sorry about that. I'll make this short. But it's a very nice cemetery. Dawn was just saying that over the last couple years, she had many conversations with Reese about what he wanted. What all did he want, Dawn?
He wanted to be at Geigel Funeral Home. He wanted to have his white jacket on and his Masonic necktie. And he wanted to have Amazing Grace sung. I'm trying to think. His fez there.
He wanted to have his fez in the casket?
No, I didn't put it in the casket. I set it aside.
Okay.
But I put his intrepid cap and his drumsticks and a rose inside
His
the casket.
drumsticks and a rose inside. This is a huge cemetery.
And his, what's it called? I think. The flag was inside and his cap for the Veterans of War. What's that called?
They need to fix those.
Yeah, I did that. I think I already said they were going to put flowers on them for me on the grave.
Oh, really? She raced out here first?
She will when she comes to do her father, she'll do dad.
I don't know how many cars are behind us. There's 3 in front of us. I'd have to see when we get out of the car. Because it was a long funeral on a freezing day with elderly people that have their health problems. But it's a sunny day now. I would guess it's probably in the upper 30s now. Now you've come by this cemetery plot before, right?
Beth Ann took a picture of it. I never saw the plot.
You've never seen the plot. Okay.
I saw it on paper.
Oh my goodness, where are we gonna park? I guess right behind everybody. I think I need to park behind that car, not the hearse. So I'm gonna park behind the car. Right? I don't want to park on top of anybody.
Right.
I'm gonna stop here. Okay. And I'm gonna get out to keep filming just to see how many cars are there. Oh, it goes. Turn the car off. Is this okay to park here? All right. Wow. So here we go.